This video is going to be on a flashing red icon that we see on our dashboard. Before I continue, if you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the review. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Alright, so this is on a lot of cars, Audis, Priuses, just a lot of cars right now. Very hard to see. I know it's out of focus, it's nighttime. This is a flashing red icon on the dashboard. It looks like an automobile, a car, and a key. It's an automobile and a key right next to each other, or a lock. That is a normal thing. A lot of people say, I just saw this flashing on my dashboard for the first time today, and I don't know what it is. I never saw it before. Well, no, don't say I've never seen it before, or is it seen or saw? Okay, so, oh, out of focus there. So, people say they have never seen this before, and it's probably been on there the whole time, but you just never noticed it. A lot of people are also saying they notice that when they get next to their car, the light turns on inside, and they never noticed that before. That has probably been happening all the time. So what this light is, there's nothing wrong with your car. This is the anti-theft light or the immobilization light, letting people know. It's kind of like an alarm. Even if you don't have an alarm system in your car, this is the built-in alarm system, the anti-theft or immobilization circuitry that comes with a lot of the newer cars. It is letting you know that the system is armed and the vehicle will not start without your key fob. And it is also letting people who are considering breaking into your car know that the car is immobilized. So say that you had an alarm. A lot of people get an alarm and they have a red light or a blue light mounted on the dash or on this rear view mirror or by the door locks or on the doors. This is the same thing. This is a built-in light installed by the factory letting people know that there is an immobilization or anti-theft system in the car, and the car is not going to start without the fob. So this probably has cleared up a big confusion for a lot of people. Again, the light is so hard to see. Even in the daytime, it's hard to see. At nighttime, I can't even get this thing to focus at all. It's just not going to focus. Where is it? Where is that light? Is it there? Yeah, you're not going to see it, even if I slow down. Oh, did I? I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit. I'm sitting here at nighttime in the car with the dog. People are wondering why I'm filming my dashboard. Okay, so it's very difficult to see, but that is what is going on. It's just a built-in thing from the factory. You cannot shut it off. There's nothing wrong with your vehicle. And like I said, a lot of people are saying they just noticed this for the first time on cars they've been driving for 5 years. It's probably been on the whole time and you just never noticed it. It's very noticeable at nighttime. When you go by the car, you go, hey, what the heck's that light flashing? In the daytime, not so easy to notice. Usually you shut your car off, you get out right away, and you lock the car and you never see it. Some people are saying that you can... What you will notice is that when you put your foot on the brake, I'm going to put my foot on the brake, it should turn off. Maybe not. Did it turn off? No, it's still flashing. Okay, if you press the button to start up the car, it's going to go away. I believe even if you don't have the fob with you, if you're sitting in the car, you're going to see that light. I have the fob with me right now. I'm sitting in the car, but I haven't started the thing up, so it's letting me know that the car is still immobilized until I press the button to start it up. Then the vehicle is going to read that the fob is here. The dog's not too happy sitting in the car in the dark right now with me talking and no fresh air. So we are out of here. Thanks for watching my video. Please, again, thumbs up, subscribe, or a like. Whoop!